Hi there, George here. Today I decided to show you something special for me today. It's my birthday. I have already 28 years and this time so quickly passed. Just it's my birthday. I have some surprises. I will show you. That's it. Let's see what surprises and that's it. Nice day. Do you know when is my birthday? The cherries getting ripe and that is very nice. And each year and this year spring it's late anyway. They are good to eat already. So nice on my birthday. So that's it. Wonderful tree. Uh, I have this year not so much cherries, but anyway, good. I have something. And my banana tree started to grow this leaf and I am very happy. Will grow nice. And huge banana plant that I have, this is crazy growing. In winter time, do you remember it was grow up to the ceiling? So that's it. Lost its leaves because was cold in April. So looks like now beautiful new grow. This Cavendish growing beautiful too, and we will see when will grow big and will be amazing. There I have some flowers from Canada sent by Corina. Hi Corina, and your flowers are very beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can see there so many colors. I mean not many, but they are together different colors and they look amazing there. This one so beautiful and this red something special. They all the flowers are special. That's it. There another one started to grow. There I have another surprise. Let's check close up. Pelargonium and beautiful bloom. Amazing looking. And look at those leaves, so healthy and very green. And they grow absolutely beautiful. The soil I did sterilize it and that's it, amazing, just growing so nice. There I think it's pot seed, anyway we will see. Another surprise on my birthday, look at it, pineapple roots. Oh, that is amazing. I got it from a pineapple, I will show you from there. And this pineapple growing nice, amazing. So I'm very happy. Also there I have passion fruit I grew from seed, growing nice. Now we are inside and some surprises, amazing, just so many surprises, look at it. New spike, amazing. This orchid I did buy for first time in 2017 and did make pink flowers. That is absolutely beautiful and we look forward to see the flowers. That's it. And I save it. When I bought it I just almost kill it because I water it too much in that time. Now I save it in water culture and just amazing growing now. I put back in substrate and well, growing nice. Here another phalaenopsis, just it is amazing, these two flowers just are from January and they still are here and you know another flower will grow there. So amazing, so long time this orchid growing flowers, look at it. And there another surprise, there you will see this plant named Aeschynanthus Mona Lisa, and you can see one root, absolutely wonderful, and I will have these plants, more these beautiful plants, this make roots too. Anyway, we will see. Look at the mother plant, it's very beautiful, beautiful flowers, amazing. And great, shiny leaves it have. And another surprise, do you know I have 500 subscribers on my channel. So thank you so much for all supporting me, and that's it. I am George. This was this video, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Moldova, and see you next time. Bye bye.